Welcome to Pinvest TV, India's first real estate channel. Let's dive into latest property news from Indian market. Supreme Court strikes down preferential land allotment in Hyderabad. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court has quashed the preferential allotment of land to housing societies for MPs, MLAs, judges, civil servants, defense personnel, and journalists within the Hyderabad Municipal Corporation limits. The court declared this policy arbitrary, unreasonable, and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution, which guarantees equality before the law. Background of the case: the policy stemmed from a 2005 Andhra Pradesh government memorandum that classified select groups, including legislators, judges, government officials, and journalists, as a distinct category eligible for discounted land allotments. Subsequent GO-EMs in 2008 formalized this classification, enabling land allocations at basic rates to these groups. The Telangana High Court in 2010 ruled the policy unconstitutional, a decision now upheld by the Supreme Court. Key observations by the court: arbitrariness and inequality. A bench led by Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Deepankar Datta stated that the policy fostered social inequality by disproportionately benefiting affluent groups. This practice violated the principle of equality and fairness enshrined in Article 14. Undermining democratic institutions, the court criticized the inclusion of journalists, MPs, MLAs, and judges as beneficiaries, arguing that such allocations eroded the checks and balances integral to democracy. By granting extraordinary privileges to these groups, the policy compromised their impartiality and undermined public trust. Misuse of state resources. The judgment emphasized that the state, as a trustee of public resources, must allocate them in the larger interest of society. Granting land at discounted rates to an elite few constituted a misuse of power, cloaked in the guise of social welfare. Impact on social fraternity. Justice Khanna noted that such preferential treatment reinforced societal hierarchies and fostered public resentment, jeopardizing solidarity and trust in democratic governance. Restitution ordered. The court directed that all lease deeds executed in favor of the cooperative societies and their members be cancelled. Members be refunded the amounts paid, including stamp duties, registration fees, and documented development charges, along with interest at rates aligned with RBI guidelines. The state of Telangana is now free to deal with the reclaimed land as per law, considering the principles laid down in this judgment. The larger implications: the ruling reinforces the judiciary's commitment to curbing arbitrary executive actions and promoting fairness in the allocation of public resources. It also serves as a reminder that public office or status cannot be a basis for preferential treatment, reaffirming the egalitarian spirit of the Indian Constitution. We value your input. Your feedback shapes our content. Thanks for watching Pinvest TV.